Excited Best Friend Vlog take over.
We got free shots. Cheers! The gallery at Promenade Makan. She doesn't drink. I'm letting them know. I'm letting the people know. On the live. Live! No way! I'm not shy, I'm Max. How is it like having a blind best friend? Yeah. Okay, so it's cool. How is it like having a blind best friend? It definitely has its perks when she brings her PWD card. You get the big discounts. It's interesting because you learn a lot about with her experience, how she navigates the world. You might not necessarily see it, but she feels it.
I read something online na parang it's like love is like closing your eyes because it's about feeling. Yeah.
Oh, that's so
It
beautiful.
wasn't a vow that I read.
It is. Oh my god, so being blind is being in love all the time.